Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're decorating. We are going to panel and paint the hallway. I haven't even shown you the picture lights, have I? These got done last weekend. We had, I'm sorry, Romeo! Romeo! Poor Prince. We had an electrician come and wire these all in, and then we just have this switch here to turn them on and off. I didn't want like the rechargeable ones where you have to like go up to them and turn them on, because I just knew we would just forget to charge them, and yeah, so we got an electrician to put them in properly. The lights are from Pookie Light. Really love their stuff if you are looking for some lights. Thank you, sir. So, plan of action for this weekend, we're going to panel, so just do a half height panel. So we're going to go in between this mirror and radiator. We'll go all the way along here, and then we'll do this side as well. We will get like a proper painter and decorator to come and panel up the stairs. As you can see, took me a while to get there with the paint swatches, but we're finally there. These four are Dulux colours, and I'm just starting to realise I don't like Dulux colours. This is Ivory Brown by Valspar. That's the same, I was just getting the excess off of the brush. So it's just like a really nice like mushroom brown, and I just think that will tie in lovely with like the stair runner, so we will eventually follow it up the stairs. We need to find someone to come and do that, but me and George will hopefully be capable of doing it in here. We've worked out all of the measurements, well, George has, and it actually wasn't too difficult. I will get George to explain how to measure the panelling for you in case you're interested. We did think we were going to have to like fully take the radiator off, but we can just like lift it up and place it on the floor, I think. I'm hoping so. So yeah, we are going to Wix to get all of the moulding, everything we need. So let's go. It will have the measurements on here. Brilliant. Yeah, they are a bit bent, aren't they? But that's what the nails are for.
Yeah, but if you get one that's straighter, yeah.
Okay, well there's no other ones, my love. Gonna have to ask them.
See what I mean? You see that, you can stand up here. That's not the same.
Yeah, but it's not the same. It is, isn't it? Yeah, there's no more to ask them. Yeah, that is the same, darling. Can you hear those pigeons on the roof? Seagulls. Alright.
See that one's bent. Right there. Can you stand at the end?
Yeah, I can see it's like bowing, isn't it?
Yeah, that'll be a nightmare.
I had quite like this for the picture rail, for the actual squares. Or that. It's quite thin, it's quite small.
Yeah, I don't think we're that thick.
Really? Quite big squares. I think it's in my pocket. Yeah, here.
Saw Gorilla Glue and thin nails.
Here. Do you need this? I know where the saws are. Come with me. I know. We are back home and we have sun. Oh, sorry, Rose. We have sun in the house for the first time all week. It has been so dark. And it means I can show you the stair rods because it's not pitch black. So I got these from my dad. They are Stair Rods UK, and then he's like a distributor for them. But yeah, the rods have just finished the stairs off perfectly. I am so happy with them. So we obviously went for antique brass like we have with all accessories in the house. I cut the poles to size, and then my dad just like drilled them into the stairs. It was really easy. It was a bit time consuming because obviously we have 2 sets of stairs, but yeah, it was really straightforward. What are you doing? What are you doing? But yeah, so we are back, as you can see, from Wix. So we have got all of the moulding and the dado rails. I'm just gonna make myself a coffee. It's George's birthday on Monday, so that's why there's loads of presents on there. So the plan is we're going to cut all of the pieces to size and then just like line them all up so there's no gaps, because obviously with it being in the entranceway it needs to be perfect. So that's the plan. I don't know what. It's like 2 spots in there. Oh, there's not enough milk. The dado rail cut, so we're going to stick this on first. So we have basically just measured the distance of there, and it's just going to go in the middle.
Thinking that's 82.6, but that doesn't factor in. So there needs to be 82.6 to the bottom of this rail, because otherwise...
Well, no, because then it's going to be too close to that. Did you not measure it to the top? You measured it to the bottom?
Measure it to the bottom.
Okay.
We've got to do that because all of these measurements are based off 82.6 and taking the 10 from there and the 10 centimetres from there to create the 62.6. So the bottom of this needs to be at 82.6.
Okay.
It will be slightly, it will be...
It won't touch that mirror though, will it?
No. Get them. Oh, not done.
Okay, the...
Those 2 that are cut.
You what?
Try this short one if those 2 are cut.
Okay. The first square is on. Guys, it's literally, what time is it? I swear it's like 4 o'clock. 3:30. And this is all we have done. Fantastic. Right, so that's too short. How is he getting them this wrong? Guys, we have finished this wall. George is just cutting the pieces out for this. So the only bit we had to cut around was these bits of the radiator, but obviously the radiator will be in front of that, so it'll be fine. But yeah, it's taken us all day. Right, it's 5:45. George's football team are playing, so we're going to call it a day. So we've finished this wall, and then I've just gone along the top here with some decorator's cork just to make sure that's really flush, and then just like some of the corners I've just filled in. Gonna pop this radiator back on just for tonight, and then I might try and tackle that now actually. So I need to cut the angle for here. I'm gonna try and tackle that now, and then it's just done. And this whole wall can just be done for the night, can't it? Yeah, but once this is painted and it's all finished, it will look so good. We've just had a Domino's. Football's finished. I'm gonna open the prints. Hello. Are you okay? What are you two doing? Oh, Mr. Bruce. What's happened? So this is for the guest room. So these are prints, so like photographs of her original paintings. Wow. But then she embellishes. You can either have gold or silver. So, well, yeah, obviously. They're all different, aren't they? The set of 3. Yeah, so we got the set of 3. Wow. Gorgeous. Those colours will just go perfect, won't they? It's called The Greenhouse Art on Instagram. She's called Joanna Green. The Instagram page is Greenhouse Art. Hello, hello. It is the next day. I think it's about 1 o'clock. 1:30. We have actually been doing this all morning since like 9:30, 9 o'clock. So all of the paneling is done. It's literally, I've got some holes and gaps to fill, and then we're on to painting. George has gone to get the paint. I've just had a shower and washed my hair because I just felt so gross. But the paneling is done. So we've got a little square in there, but these 2 walls are too small to have a square on. We have this one here, and then along here, and then here as well. Let me tell you, that was the bane of my life. I'm gonna fill that now. But yeah, it's looking good. Really happy. So yeah, George, we're gonna paint that little triangle there as well. Yeah, George has gone to get paint. It's coming along slowly but surely. Right, I'm going to be quick so I don't get copyrighted, but the first one has had its 2 coats of paint and masking tape removed, and I'm sorry, that looks stunning. So like when you come down the stairs, that is what you see, and I think that colour with the carpet on the stairs just looks so perfect. Guys, yeah, sorry, I was just checking you weren't still on a time lapse. Romeo, get off him! Guys, I can't believe it. We're done. We finished it. Sorry, we ran out of storage. I really need to edit some vlogs. Anyway, we are finally done. I will show you in the morning so you can see how it looks in daylight, but oh my god, I am so happy. It really has just finished this hallway off perfectly, and I just think once it runs up the stairs as well, it really will just look perfect. But so here's like the colour of the stairs, and then you come down and you have like this little bit here, and then all the way along. Just absolutely gorgeous. Hello, I am just jumping in here at the end of the video
This is actually like 4 months later, but I just wanted to come on, say this video was the end of like the moving series, if you wish, like that first month of chaos when we were just trying to get things done. And now we're going to be up to real time. Next month is actually 6 months since we moved in, which is crazy. So I think I'll do like a 6-month updated house tour then. Now we're just going to be up to normal weekly vlogs. I'm so sorry I actually did miss last week's upload, but I'm going to give you 2 uploads this week to make up for it. Actually a gorgeous sunny day, so let me show you the hallway now it's all finished. Okay, so we come down the stairs and this is how we are looking. Let me pop those lights on for you. Oh, I honestly still love the picture lights so much. We actually picked this up from HomeSense a couple of weeks ago. It was £35 and it's massive and it just fits in that space perfectly. It's a little bit off center. There we go. Yeah, it just fits in that space perfectly. Love the colour. It's like a, it's got like little dints in it. I don't know if you can see, but like when the light catches it, it's just really gorgeous. And I think I'm going to leave it empty. I feel like we're over the whole like pampas grass thing now, aren't we? But yeah, so this is how we are looking. Very impressed with our paneling. I will have to be honest, and just love this colour so much. I think it really was the perfect colour to go for. But yeah, it's not gonna let us any more light in. This light I picked up from, I think the company's called Victoria Lighting. This exact light you can get from so many different places. They were the ones I found cheapest. Really love this. It just fits with our antique brass theme perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video. All of the moving vlogs. Honestly, thank you so much for all of the love. I'm loving being back on YouTube. So consistently, I did just miss an upload, so apologies for that, but we'll just ignore that little blip. If you haven't already, please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a little comment. Let me know what you think. Did we do a good job at paneling? I think we got there in the end. Love ya.